Good morning everyone. It's me Aarav Sharma from grade 1 Galaxy. Today I am going to do an occupied space experiment. For this experiment we need balloon, bucket of water and marker. First mark the initial level of water. Then submerge the balloon in the bucket of water. Now we can see that the water level has risen up from the initial point. Now we can see that air has volume. Thank you. Have a nice day.